that the theme of the transience, the impermanence of all forms, is a theme to which poets constantly resort. Our revels now are ended, and these our actors, as I foretold you, were all spirits, and are melted into air, into thin, thin air. And like the baseless fabric of this vision, the cloud-capped towers, the gorgeous palaces, the solemn temples, the great globe itself, aye, all which it inherits shall dissolve, and like this insubstantial pageant faded, leave not a rack behind. We are such stuff as dreams are made of, and our little life is rounded with a sleep. Well, said that well, it isn't so bad.